to Cognitia Podcast.
ChatGPT versus Google Sparrow. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cognitia Podcast. Every week we bring you fresh new content from the world of emerging digital technologies. In this podcast, we talk about the latest developments and innovations, best practices, and things you must know, do's and don'ts, updates, upgrades, and so much more. All from the tech space to inspire everyone to make the next big move in their careers.
This week, we go back to a topic that has been immensely popular for quite some time now. All of us have heard of it, some of us would have even tried to use it. Some of us marveled at the things we could accomplish now, while some of us took it with a pinch of salt, worrying about the risks of using it.
Well, you guessed it right. We are talking about the most popular AI tool ever, ChatGPT, by OpenAI. And with this, we announce a 5-part series that we will be hosting on the Cognitia podcast for 5 weeks. Including this week, we will bring to you some new dimensions and informations about this amazing new tool that is taking the world by storm. We'll talk about the good and bad, maybe even give you some useful tips, and we have a lot of other series on the Cognitia podcast as well. Make sure to hit the follow button and enable the notifications to be notified each time we post a new episode in this series.
Artificial intelligence and natural language processing have come a long way in recent years, hasn't it, Kapil?
Yes, absolutely. And these advancements have led to the development of many sophisticated AI-powered chatbots.
Totally, and in the current market, two of the most prominent AI-powered intelligent chatbot tools would be ChatGPT by OpenAI and Sparrow by Google. Both these tools have the potential to change the way we interact with the digital world and digital systems. Both ChatGPT and Sparrow provide users with an effortless and natural communication experience, which is undoubtedly one of their biggest USPs.
So in this podcast, we will talk about ChatGPT by OpenAI versus Sparrow by Google. Right, Disha?
Absolutely, Kapil. We will look at the performance of these two AI-powered tools and the features they offer, examine their features and dig deeper into the safety features offered by both.
Besides this, we will also examine the implications ChatGPT and Sparrow have on the future of artificial intelligence and natural language processing. So Disha, why don't you tell us a bit about what is ChatGPT?
ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI, a leading artificial intelligence organization. ChatGPT has been designed to understand and generate human-like text, making it a powerful tool for many applications. The tool is based on the original framework for pre-trained models called the Generative Pre-trained Transformers or GPTs. The tool is trained so widely and effectively that it can generate content that is almost indistinguishable from human-generated content in both the matter and the style.
To get a bit more technical, ChatGPT is a transformer-based language model that uses deep neural networks to process and understand the text. Now, due to this architecture, ChatGPT can generate more fluent and natural-sounding text than any other models that have been able to accomplish previously. Additionally, the ChatGPT model has been trained on a very wide range of content on the internet. We could even say that ChatGPT has been trained using just all about the content available on the internet. Due to this, ChatGPT is better equipped to understand and respond to various topics, be it everyday conversation or technical discussion. We have had many chatbots and AI-powered tools introduced to the market to date, but none have been as efficient in understanding natural language and responding to it as ChatGPT is. Few tools have been able to respond to user queries and questions the way ChatGPT can. ChatGPT also allows users to integrate the tool with speech recognition systems and text-to-speech systems, offering an even better and more seamless user experience. Let's pause talking about ChatGPT here, and Disha, why don't you tell us a little bit more about Sparrow?
Sure. Sparrow by Google is a chatbot built by DeepMind, the artificial intelligence research group at Google. Like ChatGPT, Sparrow can also understand natural language inputs and respond to them. This makes Sparrow a very valuable tool for customer service and customer support applications. Its ability to process and understand the inputs come from advanced deep learning algorithms. Sparrow is capable of handling queries in multiple languages as well as dialects, making it useful for a global user base even in territories where English may not be as commonly spoken. There are multiple areas where Sparrow would score much higher than ChatGPT, and one of the most important areas in that would be data privacy and safety. Did you know, Kapil, that Sparrow has been designed with data security and privacy in mind? So sensitive information is strongly guarded and the user data is handled very responsibly.
Oh, I had no idea. I've always wondered how ChatGPT handles all the user information and data it obtains, but coming to think of it, there is no clear direction on that. Whereas, as you said, Sparrow is designed with data privacy and security in mind. So security is not added in as an afterthought or absent. Plus, it is 2023 now, and we all know the importance of data security.
Absolutely. Did you know that compared to ChatGPT, Sparrow can also understand the context and the relationship between the words?
I did not know that, Disha. Sparrow uses something called the transformer-based pre-training. With this method, Sparrow is able to comprehend the meaning of a sentence, even if Sparrow has never encountered some of the words or terms in the sentence ever before. How cool is that?
It is also a huge advantage over ChatGPT, I would say.
I agree, Disha. I completely agree. See, one thing you have to give to Sparrow is that it comes from Alphabet, the parent company of the Google search engine. And Google has been around since the mid-90s when it wasn't even Google. So imagine how much data and information it has available with it. This makes Google light years ahead of OpenAI in terms of available data. Beating its knowledge of the world is going to be a humongous challenge for anybody.
But then, to put things in perspective, it is not like nobody will be able to crack this market, because it is also a fact that ChatGPT has been the fastest tool or platform ever to reach 1 million users. It took Netflix over 40 months to get there.
And Twitter too took less than 25 months. It took Facebook also a year, and even took Instagram a few months.
Whereas ChatGPT was able to do it in less than a month, just a few days to be precise.
Coming back to Sparrow, it has just one model, but with that one model, it is able to handle a wide range of NLP tasks, be it answering questions, summarizing texts, or translating languages. With this ability to accomplish a wide range of tasks comes the ability to support a wide range of applications. Compared to this, ChatGPT has a few key focus areas to text generation and language modeling, making Sparrow a much more versatile and flexible tool to use.
What about resource efficiency, Kapil? How does ChatGPT versus Sparrow play out in that area?
So Disha, Sparrow is designed to be faster and more cost efficient compared to ChatGPT. Moreover, Sparrow can be trained on much smaller sets of data compared to ChatGPT, which will obviously make Sparrow a preferred choice for business and enterprises that need to process large volumes of data in shorter spans of time. Coming to think of it, this ChatGPT versus Sparrow is also a Microsoft versus Google fight for AI dominance, isn't it?
Oh yes, earlier in January, Microsoft did announce a $10 billion worth of investment in OpenAI, the company that created ChatGPT. This investment from Microsoft pushes up the valuation for OpenAI upwards to a whopping $29 billion, while also helping Microsoft continue developing advanced AI technology a lot more quickly. Google is launching Sparrow as a test suite. The battle sure seems to be heating up. Just to add to the mix, Apple has also acquired Snore, which is an AI startup focusing on low-power edge computing solutions. Cutting-edge AI-powered solutions seem to be every tech giant's priority in the current times, but then such are the times we live in.
Absolutely, Disha. The battle for AI-powered solutions seems to be heating up. Google Sparrow comes with a lot of advantage over ChatGPT, but which one will eventually rule the market? Only time can tell. It could turn out to be another Microsoft Teams versus Slack, or it could become a Davis versus Goliath. You never really know until it happens for real. We'd also like to ask our listeners what they think about the different AI platforms and tools in the market, what they prefer using and why. So you can drop us a line on any of our social media handles.
With that, we come to the end of this week's episode, as well as the first episode in our 5-part series about ChatGPT. We hope you enjoyed listening to it, and we are really excited about the next episode, which will be the second one in this series. Meanwhile, appraisal season is coming close, so now would be a great time to sign up for live online instructor-led training and certification courses so you can be upskilled and ready by the time your performance review gets scheduled. To know more about our course offerings, visit our website www.cognitia.com.
Stay tuned for the next episode of Cognitia podcast. We have a very, very interesting topic lined up for it, and we totally can't wait to share more with you. Until next time, then, happy learning.